Welcome back to episode 16 of EBC's Ultimate Fiesta build. We're down at the Sharnbrook today with our friend Ciro from Petrolheadonism. He normally does a supercar pizza delivery, and as we've got a car that rivals some supercars, we thought, why not get involved? So let's go inside and take a look at how these pizzas are made.
So welcome to a very special edition of Supercar Pizza Delivery at Vesuvio's The Sharnbrook Hotel, the global home of Petrolheadonism, and we deliver pizzas hot and fresh to friends. Today we're doing something a little bit different, a little bit special. It's not quite a supercar, but it gives the same performance as some supercars. It is the EBC Brakes, very special dream car giveaway, Rays of Sunshine charity car. This car looks like a race car. And you know we love that at Sharnbrook. First rule of pizza delivery, keep the pizzas straight. Second rule of pizza delivery, please tell me there's fuel. This is absolutely awesome. So it's a road legal, track focused Fiesta ST. Started out as an ST3, but it's now pushing up to 400 brake horsepower. If you want to find out more about all these sponsors that are on the car, check back at some of the EBC videos on the YouTube channel. But right now, we're going to go for a ride and deliver some pizzas. Okay, so here we are leaving Vesuvio's at the Sharnbrook in the EBC Brakes Fiesta ST3. Fully maxed out stage 4 map by Puma Sport. There's so many tricks, so many additions to this car that literally, check this, look at that list, look at that list. I can't remember all that. All I can say is this car is track focused, road legal, sounds epic, handles beautifully, suspension, setup, dynamic, it's just on another level. Just going to come through out of this traffic and we'll really have a little play with it. So let's talk supercar pizza delivery. We've delivered pizzas in McLarens, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, everything, but not a Fiesta ST. And whilst Fiesta ST isn't my choice of vehicle every day, I do love. Anybody step to me with a Street Fighter game, opponent is going down with that whootish off the turbo hybrid that's going on in this. It's mental, absolutely bonkers, crazy, phenomenal, mad. I'm running out of superlatives, but hey, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I tell you what, I know that Stefan and the guys working on this at the EBC Centre of Excellence have literally made it their grease lightning. This car is no longer a Fiesta ST. What started off life as a humble white regular ST, this is now another level. 400 brake horsepower, stage 4 maxed out by Puma Sport. Everything that's happening in this car is just taking it another level, working together with EBC's partners to create this track focused, road legal monster of a car. Honestly, I am blown away. The P3 gauge in the air vent here is something truly special. Gives you so many readings, gives you the turbo boost, gives you the temperatures across the car. It's truly focused for the track and I am absolutely loving it. So is it a supercar? No, it's not. Is it special? Very special. What's so special about it is it's a Rays of Sunshine charity vehicle. We're raising money, selling tickets at £1.50 a ticket on dream car giveaways. Get yourselves over there, get yourselves a ticket, get yourselves a few tickets, because every single penny is going to the children's charity, and that is absolutely awesome. EBC Brakes, all their partners on this project, Petrolheadonism, very much a charity that's close to our hearts. We've raised money for them on several occasions before, and what they do for kids is absolutely awesome. We love it. So let's get to our pizza deliveries. We're going to the Performance Company, home of Liberty Walk and Piper Cross Filters, as well as other brands across the automotive industry. They are awesome at that place. Jimmy and the crew really looked after this car with the bits that they've added on. And then we're over to Motec Performance, just across the way. And then, because we can't leave them out, Colourcraft, Dave will cry if he doesn't get pizza. So let's go, let's ride, let's whoosh some more. Whoosh, whoosh. Can't get enough of that sound. Front wheel drive, 400 brake power. It lays it down. It's actually really well balanced. The suspension is stiff but comfortable for the road. I imagine this on a track is, I can't even find a word for it. I just imagine this on the track is everything you'd expect it to be when everything's been done on every single corner. It's got weight saving as well. The fullback's gone out. The roll cage has now arrived to be fitted at EBC. We're delivering pizzas in the Fiesta ST. Mamma mia, let me go. Listen to that. Looks fast, sounds fast, stops fast. EBC Brakes. This ain't no Fiesta ST. Honestly, when you do everything they've done to this car on every single performance possible, they've augmented, they've literally taken a Fiesta ST and exaggerated it. It's like a whole incredible Hulk of Fiesta STs. Literally everything's just been blown out and everything's just performing so well together. It's so well balanced. It's crazy to think that this Ford badge can perform. If you had the money to do what you wanted to a Fiesta, this is what you do to it, honestly. And I hope someone truly cool wins this car, because not only is it a major opportunity to own something so epic, but it's an experience. It's amazing. Here we are at the Performance Company, the home of Piper Cross Filters. Yes, we landed, we're here. Time for pizza. Right, pizza time for the guys. Let's get masked up. So what we've done is we've got the famous Ciro special meat feasts. Here we go. Let's see who's about. It's not kind of like one of those surprise shows, because they know we're coming. Because with tier systems and everything else, you have to make sure people know. Here we are, the Performance Company. Jimmy and the team.
Whoa!
Pizza, mate. So, how are you?
I'm good,
you good?
thank you, buddy.
You know what you're getting.
Oh.
So last time we were here, we were in a Tesla.
And they all got
Squashed out with all the.
Does that mean the Fiesta's not as fast as the Tesla?
No, the Fiesta was a much better balanced car, and the turbos were unreal, but Pizza's got here better and safely. So that's for you and the team.
Absolutely amazing, guys.
What do you think of the car?
We are loving it. Obviously, we've supplied a few little parts to that, and I can see from here the TPC sticker on the front bumper, which I love. Some of the guys, I don't know if they're allowed, but they have bought tickets already just to see.
I'm buying tickets, and I've said I'm going to keep it 6 months, track it, and then put it back in another auction.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, we'd like to win that, to be honest. But it's a great car, great load of products, a great the performance community coming together for charity. It's
No,
nice.
absolutely. As I've said in the video when I was driving the car, and you might pick up on this, it's literally become a Fiesta ST. Not on steroids, but the Incredible Hulk. Every performance part of it has been exaggerated and taken to another level, and you put that all into one package. It feels amazing on the road.
And obviously with EBC doing it, at least it stops.
There you go. Go fast, stop fast.
That's it. That's
Cool.
it.
Cheers, mate. Enjoy.
Buddy, thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Appreciate
Right.
that.
Here we go. Next stop, Motec Performance, just across the way. And then, of course, the Colour Craft. If we don't deliver to Dave, he'll cry. So let's go. So literally from the TPC company there, we're going to Motec over here, and they've worked with EBC Brakes on several projects before. Here we are, Motec Performance. They love the Ciro Special, they love this car, they love performance, and we're here to feed them today. Right, let's get the guys fed. Mask on, because we're going inside. Nearly took them the empty bag. So here we are, Motec Performance, home of performance vehicles and mods and upgrades. Mike, how are we doing?
Make the food!
Woo! Got some pizza for you, baby.
Best in the game, this is.
Hold on, mate. We've got 4, but Ciro Special.
Thank you very much. We know definitely this is how it's all done. Thank you very much.
So what do you prefer, performance cars or pizza?
Both. Can I sit
Exactly.
in the car eating your pizza?
That's what we do.
Exactly. Thank you very
Brilliant.
much. Appreciate that.
Pleasure for you and the guys here at Motec,
Yeah, we'll run it in.
celebrating the wonderful relationship you have with EBC Brakes.
Look at that. Thank you very much.
Share nicely.
EBC paying, are they? EBC paying.
No charge for
No
anybody.
charge.
We're celebrating. I'm using up so much petrol in that car
Yeah.
that I'm gonna have to pay them. Amazing. Really well balanced car. Really cool. So, right, well, you know where we have to go now? We're going to Colour Craft, because if I don't deliver to Dave when I've delivered to you and Jimmy, Dave's gonna cry.
Yeah, he's a big guy, it's a lot of tears.
So let's go get our Big Dave hugs. So that's the Performance Company and Motec Performance done and delivered the pizzas. Special happy 40th birthday message to Mike at Motec. Again, a great supporter of Petrolheadonism and working relationship with EBC Brakes. But now we're going to Dave. And if Dave doesn't get pizza when Mike and Jimmy get pizza, Dave's gonna cry. Here we are at Colour Craft, where dreams come true. Hello, Dave. Now, really didn't want you to cry because Jimmy and Mike were getting pizza. We've managed to save 1 slice for you.
1 slice?
1 slice, that's all you're getting.
How much horsepower's this got?
Nearly 400 brake horsepower.
Rev on back to Sharpbrook and get another one.
Whoa!
That's what we're supposed to do with that car too.
Let's have a look what we've got left over. This is Dave and Tim and the team at Colour Craft. They create magic. You do all kinds of work, restorations, Liberty Walk kits. Jeez, what's that?
Liberty Walk Maserati.
Liberty Walk Maserati, taking it to another level. Guys,
There's the next one.
458. Nice. Wicked. That's a transit van. Guys, we need a photo. There you go. Ciro Special, mate.
Oh, mate, loving that.
So first Ciro Special since 20th of December 2020.
I ain't gonna wash my hands, look, I'm not proud. Oh, that's
There
a
we
big
go.
slice.
That's what we do.
Delightful.
No, but that, no.
Everybody else was too shy to eat on camera, but these guys, they're hard workers. They put their hand working with their hands. They get dirty every day and they make dreams happen with Big Dave. Now, Dave and I would normally hug it out. Because of Corona, we're still keeping our social distance. Cool, so while the guys at Colour Craft eat their pizzas, we're just gonna sign off and say thank you for watching another Fiesta ST episode on the EBC Brakes channel. For those of you watching us on the Petrolheadonism channel, I'd like to thank EBC for their wonderful work they do with us. What a great relationship we have moving towards other projects and things we've worked on together for brakes and for pizzas, of course. So, what's next? You can win this EBC ST. It's easy. Go over to Dream Car Giveaways. It's £1.50 a ticket. Get yourselves multiple tickets, because if you win this car, you will not be disappointed. Whether you just use it on a track or you have it as a bit of fun on the road, as I've said in the video, this car is a little monster and I absolutely love it. So I'm buying my tickets right now, and if I win it, I'll keep it for 6 months, track it, and then put it back in another drawer for Rays of Sunshine Children's Charity. Good luck and thank you. So I really hope a true petrolhead wins this car, because it smiles and giggles for every mile. And whether you use it on a track or you use it on the road, you've got yourselves a track-focused, road-legal, Street Fighter winning monster of a Fiesta.
Right, well that's it for this episode. Special thanks to Ciro at the Sharnbrook and obviously Petrolheadonism. We've delivered some pizzas today. We've seen Motec, POTN, Performance Company and Colourcraft. They all seem like they really enjoyed it. So yeah, well thank you and we'll see you on the next episode.